Critical thinking before busy work. Good morning, team. Here's this week's reminder. Being busy is not the goal. Being useful is. Consulting can get noisy fast. Emails, meetings, edit requests, status checks, follow-ups, slide changes, action trackers. It's easy to spend a full day moving fast and still not move the work forward in a meaningful way. That's why critical thinking matters. Before you jump into activity, slow down long enough to ask a few better questions. What problem are we really solving? What decisions need to be made? What matters most right now? What information is missing? And what is the smart next step? Those questions protect you from busy work. They help you focus on value. Clients don't need more motion from us, they need better thinking from us. And strong consultants don't just complete tasks, they connect their work to the bigger picture. They understand why the work matters, what outcome it should support, and what trade-offs need to be considered. This is where your value grows, not just in how much you do, but in how well you think. Sometimes the best move is not doing more. Sometimes the best move is stopping long enough to challenge the assumption, simplify the approach, or solve the right problem instead of the loudest one. That takes judgment, that takes discipline, and that takes confidence. So this week, don't just let activity fool you into thinking progress is happening automatically. Bring your brain to work, not just your calendar. This week, raise your standard. Think first, then move. Here's your call to action. Before starting your next task this week, take 5 minutes to write down the real problem, the desired outcome, the smartest next step. Use that to guide your work instead of just reacting to the request. Let's have a strong week.